Okay, it is lesson 88 practice set. And so thankfully everything is written in your notebook or journal. Let's begin. Tomorrow, 32 students are attending an award ceremony. Each table will seat 5 students. How many tables can be filled? How many tables will be needed? So we have to be very clear on what they want. We know that we will have a remainder, but we also know that everybody's got to sit down. Just because we have a remainder does not mean that we kick those kids off to the side. We need to make sure that every student has a seat at a table. So let's begin. The first thing we need to do is find out how many tables will be all the way full. So we take 32 and we divide it by 5 because that's how many each table will fit 5. And I know that 6 times 5 is 30. I subtract. I know that our remainder is going to be 2. So I know that 6 tables will be filled. But guys, let me undo that. Will be filled. I almost wrote build. Will be filled. But I can't have those 2 extra kids sitting out on the floor, can I? So I know that I'm going to have to add an additional table. It won't be full, but we'll have a total of 7 total tables. Here's our next one. Tendai found 31 quarters in his bank. He made stacks of 4 quarters each. How many stacks of 4 quarters did he make? So we say 31 divided by 4. And I know that I would love to say 8, but that's 32. It's too much. So I know that I'm going to have to go with 7. 28. 31 minus 28 is 3. So remainder of 3. So he had 7 stacks. How many extra quarters did he have? 3 quarters. Tendai made a short stack with 3 extra quarters. How many if Tendai made a short stack with the extra quarters, how many stacks would he have in all? Well, we would know that he'd have 7 full plus 1 partial, which would give us 8 stacks. And there you have it. Good luck on the homework.